Okay. Well, when he gets in, tell him when he gets in, I'll mark him here. I
Okay.
mean, I understand his computer problems, but
Okay, I'll tell him.
if you're not here, he could watch it. I'm recording this too. So we're all rooting for you, Devin. Um, all right. If he has anything to say to me, Andy, let me know. Just pass the message on. No problem. All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Okay, so tomorrow this homework is due. Okay, tomorrow is Friday. The homework is due. Do you guys know it's due tomorrow? Let's look at the let's go to Mandalorian site. Okay. Baby Yoda. Mandalorian. Okay. Class. Let's see what you guys see. I want to see what you guys see. Okay. So you guys get all those check your understandings done. I'm trying to see if the self-practice, man, all this stuff is kind of the to-do list just makes it forever. Okay. I don't know if you guys see it, but at here, um, lesson. Can you guys find this? Make sure you can find it. The lesson, it's under module module 1. It's the lesson 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 upload. Make sure you can find that because that's how you're going to upload everything for tomorrow's assignment. And we'll work on it tomorrow. I'll help you with it, but just see if you can find it. But that's what we're that's what we're that's what we're that's what's due tomorrow. The 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Remember, we did most of these in class, and some of us stayed after, and we finished the 1.2 yesterday. We finished the whole thing. So just take a picture of it. Then we'll start 1.3 today, okay? We'll start the 1.3 today. So anyway, if if you're having trouble finding that, I'll help you after class if you want, or we'll look for it tomorrow. But that's where it is. It's worth 30 points. Take a picture and you send it. Okay. So let's get on to 1.3. So 1.3 self practice. And here we go. There's a self practice. I'm downloading it. And then also, let's you guys know you can the answers are the next module over. Is anyone having a hard, if you're having a hard time following what I'm doing here, let me know and I'll go slower. But it's important you get this stuff. Look at here's the answer key. You click on that and you have the answer key and we can check our answers, right? So there you go. Boom. All right. So today on our if I'm flipping around too fast, let me know. But this is our weekly agenda. Today we're doing no, let's write it down. You guys got your guys, let's get our notebooks out and let's put our name, date, and the period in the right. I'm writing it down. I'll present in just a second. The date is 2/4/21, period 2. And then this is lesson 1.3, and we are solving variables on both sides. Right here, solving variables on both sides. Write that on the left. And then it's page 23, 3 through 25 odd. Okay. So, oh, let me get to what I have written down. All right. So have that written in your notebook right there. Solving variables with both sides. Remember, solving equations. Now we're going to have the variables on both sides. Well, just put it on one side. That's all we got to do. Get rid of one. Just get rid of one side. And then you got to balance it and put it on the other side, right? Sort of. That's what you sort of kind of do. So, but before we get that, I got a couple of problems I want you guys to do. You can even do it in your head if you want. Say we add these up. Write these. Add those up. We're adding, even though I don't have an addition there. Remember, we're adding, okay? Multiply those. Just tell me the answer. You don't have to write down. Just tell me what the answer is out loud. Okay, I'm going to call on you and have you guys do it. Let's see. Add those up. And then divide this. See what that equals, okay? So -3 plus -2. Okay, I'm going to call on one of you. Tell me what is that? What is -3 plus -2? Okay, what is -3? Even though there's no plus here, let's just, if I stack it, I'm adding, okay? -3 plus -2. Where am I? There you guys are. Okay. Andy to my mate. What is -3 plus -2?
-3 plus -2.
Yeah, right here. Can you see it?
Yes. Okay. Let me. So 2 negatives equals a positive, right?
No, you're thinking of multiplication. We're just
Oh, okay.
adding. So in adding, think of like they're
Also
both the
5.
same. Yes.
Oh, okay. So yeah, I was trying to get a notebook because I'm not at my house right now.
However, they're all negatives, so it's going to be -5.
-5. Okay.
Wait, what? Does that make sense? I just want to make sure it makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Okay, cool. That's it. Thank you. All right, next, let's go with, let's see. All right. Alberto. Now this is multiplication, so remember, same sign is positive, different sign is negative. All right. Alberto, -2 times +3. What do we got here?
One.
We're multiplying.
It's -6.
Yeah, so I wanted Alberto to get it, but Alberto, you see it's -6? Thank you so much. I think that I don't know who said that. Was that Noel answered that? Thank you. Or who? Thank you, Noel. Alberto.
Yeah.
Where are you? Can't see you. Okay, so we're multiplying. 2 times 3 is 6, but they're different signs, so it's going to be negative. Okay. Now here we're adding. We have a different sign. So when we add, we really subtract. Okay, what's 5 minus 6 or 5 plus -6? Let's go with Crystal Ayapatakal. Crystal, come on, guys. Let's get through this. I'm calling Crystal. Are you there? Crystal, I'm going to mark you absent. Crystal Magallanes.
-1.
Yes, they're different signs, so we subtract. 5 minus 6 is 1, and we have more negatives, so it's -1. Okay, -21 divided by -3. Thank you, Crystal, for answering so quickly. David Guzman. -21 divided by now same sign, so in division, our answer is going to be positive. -21 divided by -3, David Guzman.
7.
Very good. Boom. +7. Different, same sign as. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on our assignment. 3 through 25 odds. Let's start with number 3. Boom. Number 3. Here we go. You guys on it? So again, let's get as much done as we can. We only have to do we'll have to do probably like 12, 13 problems. And 13 problems. Okay, you guys ready for this? So follow along with me as we're doing this, okay? Is this right? Oh, this is the wrong assignment. This is 1.2. Wait a minute. Don't tell me the wrong one is in. Oh, I got the 1.2. Sorry. We want 1.3. So let's get rid of that. 1.3 self-practice. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Number 3. We have here, write this down. 15 minus 2x equals 3. Now notice 15 minus 2x equals 3x. Okay, so I have it here. Okay, so let's do what we say, what we've been doing. Let's draw our line. Everybody draw the line at the equal sign, okay? So we separate the left and the right. Now the problem is that I have an x on the left and an x on the right. Okay? So I need to get rid of one. Let's see if we can figure out which one we want to get rid of. Which one do we want to get rid of? The minus 2x or the 3x? Which one should we get rid of? What do you think? And there is a more correct answer that'll make your life a lot easier. Let's go with Rosa Valderas. Which one should we get rid of, do you think?
I think 2x.
Yes.
-2x.
What's that?
-2x. Sorry.
Yes, the -2x. Because if we got rid of the 3x, there'd be nothing left over here. If I got rid of this, there'd be nothing left over there. So let's get rid of the -2x. Now it's -2x, Rosa said. Rosa, how would you get rid of that -2x?
You divide.
Well, it's a minus. What's the opposite of minus?
Addition.
Add, yeah. And Rosa said it too. Yes, we add 2x. Very good. I can't see who said the answer before, but very good. You both are right. Because these are going to go away. -2x plus 2x, they're going to go away. What do I do on the right? I do on the left. So in order to get rid of this, you want to do the opposite of whatever the sign it is. If it's a -2x, we add 2x. If it's a plus 2x, we take away 2x. Okay, so those go away. So cross that out. Everyone do that, right? This is your assignment. You're going to be taking pictures of this. It's going to be 15 equals 3x plus 2x is 5x. Okay, now how do I solve for x? Let's go with Rosie Sorato. How do I solve for x now?
You subtract or you divide 5.
Yes, very good. It's 5 times x. So do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. Okay, and I'm going to ask you, what does x equal? Okay, solve for x. What does x equal, you guys? What does x equal? And then we'll move on. What is x going to equal here?
3.
3.
3, very good. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. This is 3 equals, that goes away, x, or x equals 3. And that's all you got to do. Let's do number 5. Oops, so you can see that. I'm going to get rid of this in 10 seconds. Are there any questions? Okay, going to the next one. Okay, what do we got here? Whoopsie. So we got 5. Okay, so I'm writing down 5p minus 9 equals 2p plus 12. Now, usually, there's p's on both sides. Okay. So, okay, I'm going to ask you, what's the first thing I need to do? All right, Quinlan, are you with me? I think you came late, so I marked you absent. So make sure you stay after class.
Yeah, I thought class started at 10.
I'm sure you did. That's okay. But you're early for 10, so that's good. But hey, Quinlan, what do I? It's hard with these different schedules, man. I get confused by it too. All right, Quinlan, what's the first thing you want to do here?
You wanna do the addition first?
Okay, what are you going to add? I can walk you through it if you want.
Yeah.
Okay, first thing I do is I draw a line. And the thing is, I see, oh, there's p on both sides. So we only want p on one side. Which p do you want to get rid of, Quinlan?
5.
Okay, you can do that. But I'm going to do what I want. I like the p's on the left side. So I want to get rid of the 2p. Is that cool if I do that? You're not wrong at all, Quinlan. But let's put the p on the left side. So I have this. Is that okay, Quinlan?
Yeah.
Because you're still right with the 5p. So let's get rid of this 2p. This is a positive 2p. How would I get rid of that positive 2p, Quinlan?
Making it a negative.
Or subtract 2p. Very good. Thanks, Quinlan. Okay, everyone see that? So now, if we did what Quinlan said, we could do that. We take away 5p. We would do minus 5p over here. But we got to put the minus 2p over here and write directly into the p's. We bring that p over there. Okay? Now, watch carefully. Oh, okay. I don't know. 5p minus 2p minus 9 equals. What is that going to be? What's our new line going to be? Write down the new line. I'm going to call you and ask you, what is the new line? Okay? So what are we writing underneath here? So everyone write it down. And I'm going to tell you, you want me to tell me what it is. I'm going to pick on someone at random. What is my new line? Okay. All right, ready for the new line? I'm going to call on someone. Okay, Elias.
Yep.
What do you get for your new line? The new line here
For the 5p?
underneath here. Like, what am I going to write here? Like you add these, and then you bring this down, and bring the equals down, and then bring that down. So
3p minus 9.
perfect. Okay, Elias is right. 5p minus 2p is 3p minus 9 equals. That goes away. Then what do I put over here?
Plus 12.
Very good. Awesome. Very good, Elias. Okay, that's what's the new line. I want to see how many people got that on the new line. Okay, don't lie. Raise your hand. How many of you got that on the wait, hang on, let me see. I'm looking at y'all. Okay, raise your hand if you got that on the new line. Nice. Okay, cool. So let's move on. So go ahead and solve for P then. Everyone that got that, solve for P now, okay? And tell me what P is on your own, okay? What is P equal to? Solve for P. Okay, ready? Raise your hand if you need more time, because I'm going to call on one of you. Okay, I don't see anyone raising their hand, so I think we're ready. Okay, I saw one hand. What does P equal? Okay. And then I'll work it out. Okay. Now, if you got the wrong answer, that's okay, because we're all trying this out here, okay? So, all right, Italia, what'd you get for P?
I just got 3p.
You got 3P equals what?
3P equals 21.
Yeah, so far, okay. But I want, very good, Italian David. What is P going to be equal to, though? P equals what? That's the next step. You guys got the next step. Noel, go ahead. You're saying, it looks like you're ready to say it.
I said 7.
Yes, P equals 7. Raise your hand if you got P equals 7. Okay, so about a quarter of you. So looks like we still need time to go over this. Whoop, I'm not presenting. Okay, here we go. Here's how you solve the rest. Make sure you're able to do this with me, because you guys got to be able to do this, because we're going to have a test. So the best way to learn this math is you keep practicing the stuff. You keep doing it, and doing it with me, okay? So we got to get P by itself. So I have the -9 and the 3. Remember, the loser of the party is the -9. Get rid of him because he's furthest away from the P. The 9 is furthest away. So we add 9. And Italia, this is where we got this goes away. We got the 3P. That's what you said. Equals. And then we add the 12 plus 9 is 21. Let me know if I'm going too fast. Then I divide by 3 to get rid of it, because times 3. So I divide by 3. And 21 divided by 3 is 7. Okay, so that's how you do that. Let's do another one. That's 5. Now they're going to get harder and harder, but it's okay. Okay, so let's look at, so we're at 7 now. 5t plus 16 equals 6. Oh, this is a good one. Minus 5. Oh, this one's really good. This is a good problem. No, that's actually, no, it's not. It's all right. I thought this was going to be like a good lesson here. Okay, number 7. So make sure you have that written down. Okay, now we have the t's on the left and the right. So I'm going to draw the line. Everybody draw the line. Make sure you do that first. So let's get the t on one side. I always like the t on the left because it's just easier, because it's nice to have the variable on the left. So I'm going to get the t on the left. Now I have a 5t and I have a -5t. Okay, so I'm going to call on one of you. You tell me what is the first thing that we're going to do. Okay, so wait till you have it written down. Okay. Okay. Angelina, I think you're clicking over there. I think you're not muted. I don't know if you want to be muted. You can be not muted if you want, but all right. Leah Tully, what is the first thing I'm gonna do here?
Find one of the t's.
Well, I got to get rid of one of them, right? Remember we said?
Get rid of one of the t's.
Okay, now you can get rid of any one, but if we want to get it on the left, which one should we get rid of? If I want t on the left, which should I get rid of?
The t on the right.
Okay, which is negative 5t. How do I do it?
Add it.
Add 5t. Very good. So then I add 5t with the t, right?
Yeah.
Same thing, 5t plus 5t. One more thing, Leilani. What is 5t plus 5t?
10.
10t. Then the plus 16 equals 6. Do you guys understand that step that we all did together? Okay, now everyone solve for t. Okay, solve for t. You guys are going to solve for t, okay? And I'm going to call on one of you. Solve for t. You guys are doing great. Hopefully you're learning something today. Remember, different sign you subtract. Solve for t. Again, we're getting the homework done here, right? So we have to go up to 25. We're already at 7. Okay. Okay, raise your hand if you need more time. Okay, I'm not seeing anyone raise their hand, so that means I can call on anyone then. Okay, here we go. Daniel Mejia, what'd you get for T?
I got -1.
Yes, very good, Daniel. Okay, I'm going to walk you guys through it. Raise your hand if you got -1, just so I know. So if you all got it, I'm going to move more faster. Okay, cool. Very good. Good. Okay, let me show that I'm presenting. Okay, so, right, T, and we have the 10 and the 16, so I subtract 16. Okay, 10t, that goes away, equals -10. 6 minus 6 is -10. That's why you got to make sure you get the negative there. That's how we get the negative from. Then divide by 10, and then that goes away. -10 divided by +10 is -1. Okay, let's do 8. Not 8. What am I at? We're at 9, right? Sorry. 9. Okay, now this is a good. Oh, no, okay. 9. I'm going to do it on the new side. Okay, 9. Now look at, we have here, I have 7 plus 3x, then I have a minus 12x, and then I have a equals 3x, and then I have a plus 1. I have 3 x's there, 3 of them. Okay, so I have an x, an x, and an x. Okay, but see how, okay, let's draw our line so we could see. Now these are on the same side of the line, so I could just combine them, right? Combine like terms. 3x take away 12x. I can just combine those. And they have different signs. So I'm going to subtract, right? And I have more negatives than positives. So what is 3x? So I can put those together. 3x minus 12x. What is 3x minus 12x? Or 3x plus -12x? Calculate that out, because I'm going to call on one of you to tell me what is 3x plus -12x. Nicholas.
Negative 9x.
Awesome. Hey, I got a question for you. Am I going too fast, too slow, or just right? Be honest.
It's just right.
Really, I'm not going too slow for you?
No, you're good.
Okay. Be honest with me, though. Okay. Let's see. Edith.
Yes.
Am I going too fast, too slow, or just right for you? Be honest.
Oh, just right.
Okay. If anyone am I going too slow for? Let's see. Devin, how about you? (3x minus 12x). They're different signs, so we subtract, but have more negatives, so it's negative 9x equals 3x plus 1. Okay, let's go like this. I want to bring the x over here. Okay, so how do I get rid of this 3x? What do I do? Crystal, Ayapatakal. Ayapatakal. Are you there? Crystal, I'm gonna mark you absent if I don't hear a response from you. Antonio.
Yep.
What do I do next?
You subtract 3 and subtract 3 from 9.
3x, 3x. Now remember,
It's
same
negative
sign.
12.
Yeah, same sign. So what do I do here? What's my new line gonna be?
Negative 12. 7
Yes.
minus
Yes.
neg-
Go.
minus
Keep going.
negative
Perfect.
then-
I'm gonna.
equals 1.
Yep. Awesome. So I'm gonna say explain what I did. They're the same sign, so we add 9x plus 3x is 12x, and they're both negative, so it's negative 12x equals 1. Okay, everyone go ahead and solve for x there. Solve for x. I'm gonna try to figure out what's going on with Crystal here. She responded. Oh, technical difficulties. Okay, I got your message. You're still here. So Crystal, you can give answers in the chat then, if you're having technical difficulties. Okay, no problem. I'm reading all your messages now, Crystal. Okay. All right, everyone get ready to say what the answer is. Here, I'll put it back up so you can see. Ooh, this one's going to be a fraction, so maybe we'll be confused by it. So maybe you might be confused by the fraction. So that's okay. Oh no. Yeah, it's a fraction. Okay. All right, Crystal, are you able to say what you got? Or do you need more time? Let's go with okay, 20 seconds. Well, actually, we'll go with we'll go back. Angelina, what'd you get?
X equals 1.5.
1/2. How many of you got 1/2 for x? Oh, good. Okay. So let me show you why it's 1/2. And it may you probably, even if you didn't get 1/2, you probably still got it right. You just probably didn't know how to write it, which is fine. So, okay, now we got to get rid of the 7. So a lot of us probably got confused by this. The 7 is positive. So did you subtract 7? You have to look at the left, even though there's a minus here. So you subtract 7. I subtract 7. And I have negative 12x equals 1 minus 7. Different signs, so I subtract. 1 minus 7 is 6, but I have more negatives, so it's negative. Okay, so if you got that, you're good. Some of us, if you added 7, that would have made a mistake and made that 8, but you subtract 7. Then I divide by negative 12. And so if you got negative 6 over negative 12, you're on the right track, but that just simplifies to like 6 is half of 12, and they're both negative, so they become positive, 1/2. Are there any questions on that? That one was a lot of tricky algebra number theory stuff. Stop me if you have questions. Okay, so let's go to 11. How are we doing on time? I'm gonna see, what time does the bell ring? Do you guys know? I think I have the bell schedule right here.
10:30.
We got 10:38. Thank you. 10:38. Okay, so I'm trying to just keep going to get as much homework done as I can with you guys. Okay, so you got to do it anyway. 10 times G plus 5 equals 2 times G plus 9. Okay. Now, the thing is here is the parentheses. You got to think about what makes it hard. Well, the parentheses, this means it's 10 times G plus 5. So you multiply the 10 times the G and the 10 times the 5. And here is 2 times G plus 9. That means you multiply, since it's in the parentheses, the 2 times the G and the 2 times the 9. If you multiply them by everything, then the parentheses go away using what Angelina said yesterday, the distributive property. Right, Angelina? So I'll do let's draw the line. Everyone have that line drawn? Okay, so let's do the left. So I go this times this and this times that. I'll do this side first. So 10 times G is just 10 G. 10 times 5 is 50. I don't know why I did that different color. So then let's go. I want you guys to multiply this and that. Multiply those. 2G and 9. Multiply 2G and 9. Okay, multiply those. And then I'm going to ask you what the answer is, okay? Okay. I'll give you guys like 10 seconds to do it. If you guys are getting this stuff, you guys are gonna. This is like the key thing that helps us be successful in all of our math classes. And if it's hard, it's okay. You know, just keep it up. Okay. Let's go with Abigail. Are you there? Are you able to?
Yes, sir.
Hey, what'd you get here, Abigail?
Hold on, give me 1 second.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna get someone else. I'll get to you in a second. Okay, just mute for a second, and let's go with David Guzman. What'd you get for this side?
Oh, sorry. I got 2G plus 18.
Very good. 2 times G is 2G. 2 times 9 is 18. Abigail, is that what you got?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Awesome. Hey, everyone else, go and solve for G now. See if you can solve for G on your own. Okay, solve for G on your own. I'm going to do the first step without saying anything. You guys try to do the first step on your own. Remember, I like the G on the left. If you want the G on the right, you can. And then tell me what G is when you are done. I'm going to call on one of you. You're solving for G. Oh, got to do some subtraction work here, huh? 38. How are we doing on time? About 10 minutes left. You guys, I know this is painful, but you know, we're getting a lot done. All right. Anyone need more time? Raise your hand if you need more time. Okay. All right, Edith, what did you get for G?
-4.
Yes, very good. Very good, Edith. Raise your hand if you got -4. Nice. Wow, you guys are getting this. Okay. So here's how I would, well, you guys, I subtracted 2 on both sides and I got 8G plus 50 equals 18. So then you got to get rid of the 50. This is a big number to subtract, but it's -32. That goes away. 8G equals -32. Divide by 8. G equals -4. Okay, let's do, can I fit 13 here? Okay, let's look at 13. Oh, okay, good thing we're doing 13 because look at that fraction there. How many of you hate fractions? 2/3. That's no big deal though. Times 3x plus 9 equals -2.
Mr. Saunders?
Yes. Am I not presenting?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're not presenting.
Thank you. Shoot. Sorry, guys. Thank you for saying. Oh, shoot. Where am I? Okay, so we have here 13 is 2/3 times 3x plus 9 equals -2 times 2x plus 6. Okay, let me show you how to multiply that 2/3 there. Okay, so 2/3 times 3. Okay, let's do it right here. Do a little box here. 2/3 times 3. Okay, the way you multiply fractions is you just multiply. 3 is equal to 3 over 1. Multiply the numerator times the numerator and the denominator times the denominator. Just multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. And now it's 6 divided by 3, which is 2. Okay? Is that too fast? So 2/3 times 3. And by the way, another way you can think of it is that these kind of go away and it's just a 2. You could do that. But it's 2/3 times 3x is 2x. Then 2/3 times 9. 2/3 times 9. So 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3. Then 18 divided by 3 is 6. Okay, so that will be 2/3 times 9 is 6. 2 times -2 is -4x. -2 times 6 is -12. So just multiply those out. Let me get this out of the way so you guys can see. And then you draw your line. Add 4x. 2x plus 4x is 6x plus 6 equals -12. So I'm just kind of going kind of quick because I don't know. Hopefully this helps. And then I subtract 6. Okay. I have the same sign, so I'm going to add 12 plus -6 is -12. 18. Same sign, so I add, right? You add them up. Equals, that goes away, 6x. We divide by 6. X equals negative 18 divided by 6 is negative 3. I did that kind of quick, so that fraction thing was kind of, well, the fraction, hopefully, see if I can fit it all in. That's how you do the fraction up there. All right. We're doing on time. I'm gonna try to get one more in for you guys. 15. Can I do that? Can I go? Can I move on? I'm gonna get rid of this in 10 seconds. Let me know if you still need it. Uh, 15. Actually, no, let's do 19. Because I have to, let me show you 19 real quick. And then, because this is going to be on your test, on your check your understanding. Because there's a check your understanding you have to do. 19, am I presenting? I think I am. Real quick, because something weird's going to happen here on 19. 19 is 3t, how are we doing on time? I have like 5 minutes. 3t plus 4 equals 12 plus 3t. Okay. You guys with me? Watch what happens here, because it's important that I show you this, because something weird's going to happen. Watch what happens. Okay. What do I do first? I'm going to draw my line. Someone tell me what I do first.
-4 on each side.
Well, before that, remember we have t's on both sides. That would work. You could do that, but first let's get rid of the t's. So how do I get rid of the? Yeah, I take away. Let's bring the t over. Now watch carefully. Was someone saying something, or was that me? Watch carefully what happens. I'm going to take away 3t to get rid of this one. Now watch. This is weird. I'm going to take away 3t over here. You guys see that? Now watch. 3t take away 3t is 0. But then this is also 3t. And 3t takes away. All my t's have just disappeared. They've disappeared. So now my answer is, what do I have left over? 4 equals 12. Is that true?
No.
No, it's not. So 4, if it's not true and the t's are gone, 4 does not equal 12. The answer to this means there is no solution. It means t doesn't equal anything. That's what's going on there. So make sure you write that for 19. And let me see if I can find one. Let's look at 23. And you guys can fill in the blanks. Watch what happens with 23, though. I'm going to do 23 really quick, and then we'll be done because I have 3 minutes here. 23. So copy this down. 23, 4g plus 6, parentheses, equals 2 times 6g plus 9. Okay, to get this done quickly, I'll let you guys write it down. I want you guys to tell me the steps I do, and I'll do the steps, okay? So I have the parentheses. I'll give you a chance to write it down. Okay. Noel, what's my first step I'm going to do to solve this? Do you know? How about Italia? First step? You guys hear me? Edith, First step. Am I muted? Angelina, can you hear me? Oh, Edith. Okay, cool. Do you know what the first step is, Edith?
You multiply the outside number into the parentheses.
Yes, the distributive property. Thank you, Edith. So you multiply that. 3 times 4g is 12g. This is 23. So watch. 3 times 6 is 18. You do the same thing here. Thank you so much, Edith. 2 times 6 is 12g. And 2 times 9 is 18. Okay. Now the same thing is going to happen. I got to get rid of I have g on both sides. So I'm going to get rid of 12g. Now you guys can see I'm taking away 12g over here. You take away 12g over here. Now watch what happens. The g's disappear. The g's disappear. And what I've left over? I have 18 equals 18. Now is this true? Is 18 equal to 18?
Yeah.
Yes. So guess what? That means my answer is there's infinity solutions. What that means is G can equal any number and it'll work. G can equal 1, it can equal 2, it can equal 9, it can equal 1,000,000, it can equal 1/2, it can equal anything. So if your G's disappear and it's 18 equals 18, that means there's an infinite amount of solutions. If your whatever T's or X's disappear and it's not true, that means it's no solution. Okay, so we probably did about 90%. Okay, so that was quick. You guys can go. If you weren't here when I marked roll, stay here because I have to mark that you're here. Okay, stay here. All right. All right. You guys can go. I'll see you guys. You guys were awesome. You guys did awesome today. Have a good day. Remember homework, student. Remember, do the check your understanding. Do the check your understanding, okay? If you have questions, stay. Bye, Angelina. Bye, Leilani. Bye, Noel. Bye, Olivia. Bye, Leitali. Bye, Alberto. Okay. Does anyone have any questions?
Mr. Sanchez,
Yeah, what's up, Abigail?
I have a question for tomorrow since I'm not showing up to class due to the funeral. Do I just have to do the homework? And if so, from what number through what number?
Okay, all you have to do, we're not doing anything. We're just turning the assignments. We're turning 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3.
Okay.
Okay, does that make sense to you, or do I need to show you on Canvas what that means?
Yeah, I kind of stop. Both of you. I'm kind of. I be quiet. I'm talking. That's rude.
Oh. Abigail, you're a good daughter and a good sister to take care of your sister like that.
Get out of the way. Thank you. Sophia, stop.
How old is she? Is she like 2 or something?
No, she's 4. She's just acting like a little Tasmanian devil right now. Finds everything funny. It's not. Stop. Here.
Are you posting the video of the recording today?
Yeah, I'll post it. In fact, I better stop recording this now. Yeah, I'll get that in, Noel. Do you have a question?
Yeah, because you were just going too fast, and I was stuck on 11, and you were going on 13.